Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I've got a nice big box of things I ordered from Fat Quarter Shop. So I'm going to open it up, and share it with you. I almost can't remember what I bought. A bunch in here. Oh, this is a wooden two-tier tray. I thought this was really neat. So try to put that together. And let's see. Oh, that's right. I bought another stash and store. Just like the little teal one that I got in my I think my July Soap Sampler subscription box. And this is a little bit bigger. And let me see, I think it was a daily special. And I don't know. I'll have to find out. And I also bought another scrap bag. These are $14.99 at Fat Quarter Shop. So I'll open it and see if there's anything different than the last couple times. Oh, here we go. So this was $39.98. It wasn't on sale, but I just thought it was really cute. The Stash and Store, I did get it on sale. It was on sale for $4.92. And I think normally $10.24. This was $14.99, and that's just the regular price that it is. Then I also bought this. This is from the Moda Fat Quarter Club, December 2023, and they had this on sale. So I got this for $21.99, and it's normally $43.98. So there are 12 fabrics in here. So I bought this panel, and it goes with the folk and lore collection of fabrics that I received in the August Soap Sampler box. Came with these, and I decided that I wasn't going to make the quilt that they were showing because that came with the pattern in the box. I saw this and I thought, oh, this is so pretty. Not sure what I'm going to do, but so I bought these panels. As you can see, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I just thought they were neat. I decided to cut up the folk and lore multi-panel that I purchased. When it was in the big piece, it was just too huge and I couldn't figure out what to do with it. So I cut it all up into pieces, and there are 3 that are like this size, which is about a 14-inch square. That one. And then you can see how the colors really coordinate well. This is the same collection. It's the folk and lore that we got the 10-inch squares last month in the Sew Sampler, or actually it's in the August. There are two large panels. These are big. It's a 22-inch square. Beautiful. And here is the other one. Now that I've cut them down, I can see where I could cut these fabrics. I'm probably going to do something like big half square triangles around them and see what I make out of them. The panel was $11.98. So hope you enjoy seeing these. And this is the Moda scrap bag. I'm sure hoping it's different than the last couple that I got. Let's see what's in here. And these are 2.5-inch strips. And I think they're still pretty much what I've been getting. I keep hoping I'm going to get where they're always all going to have this salvage edge along here. There are some new that I haven't had before. You remember, I did a table runner or table topper using some of the colors before. So I don't know. We'll see what I'll do with them. We've got the jelly roll days coming up, so I might use them for something in there. And this is the Stash and Store. I've got my little one upstairs, my featherweight. So I thought I would buy another one to have down here by my other sewing machines. You can see where you can just kind of stick things in it, stick your scissors, different things. So it's pretty cool. And here is the fabric. Petite. I'm building up a pretty good stash of back quarters. Oh, these are pretty. There's floral. There's a light blue, little pink flowers on it. There's a green gingham. There's a green blender. That's cute. That's peach. Looks like little peaches on there. Turn it around this way. That's pretty. Another peach with little blue leaves on it. And a peach stripe. This is a gray print, gray blender. Here's a gray with little peach flowers on it. I like this one. This is very pretty. It's a blue with some florals. Here's like a royal blue with the peaches on it. And then this large blue print. So I like it. So what do you think of the things that I bought? I'm going to have to open this. I got a feeling I'm going to have Bob put it together. I could probably do it, but he likes doing that. Or maybe I will. Feels nice. Always had trouble opening these little bags. Well, there's no directions, so should be able to figure this out. That. I like it. Did I need it? No. But this will be fun. Fabric on. So what do you think? Do you like this? And the fabrics that I got? Thank you.